Most people think losing everything is what breaks a person. But what if losing everything is only the moment you finally notice what was already broken? Not just your money, not just your relationship, not just your career, your certainty. One day, you wake up and reach for your phone out of habit. The messages aren't there. The job emails have stopped. The plans you spent years building suddenly have nowhere to go. You replay every decision in your head, wondering which one started the collapse. And without realizing it, you stop asking, what do I do next? And start asking, who am I now? But here's what most people never realize. The hardest part of losing everything isn't the loss itself. It's that your brain was using those things to answer a question it never wanted to face alone. Who are you without them? For a while, it feels safer to keep looking backward. You revisit old photos, old conversations, old versions of yourself. Because even painful memories can feel more comfortable than an uncertain future. The strange part is, your mind isn't trying to keep you trapped. It's trying to keep you safe. The brain is wired to predict what comes next, because prediction feels like protection. When your life suddenly changes, that prediction disappears. Your brain doesn't just mourn what you lost, it mourns the map it used to navigate the world. That's why rebuilding feels so exhausting. You're not only creating a new life, you're teaching your brain that the unknown isn't always dangerous. And that changes everything. Because if your brain can learn fear through experience, it can also learn confidence the same way. Not from one big victory, but from small moments where you act before you feel completely ready. A broken future isn't repaired by waiting for certainty. It's rebuilt by collecting small proofs that you can keep moving. So today, don't try to rebuild your entire life. Just keep one promise to yourself. Take the walk you've been avoiding. Make the phone call. Finish one small task you said you would do. It won't change your life overnight, but it will quietly change the person your brain believes you are. And sometimes, that's where a new life actually begins. If this found you at the right time, stay with Momentum Motivation. We'll keep exploring the ideas that change how you see yourself. Subscribe for more thoughtful conversations.